Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Anna. And you?
I'm Tom.
Tom, do you have a big family?
Not really. I have a small family.
Who is in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my sister, and me.
That's nice. What does your father do?
My father is a doctor. He works at the hospital.
Wow, that's great. How about your mother?
My mother is a teacher. She teaches English at a high school.
That's cool. And your sister?
My sister is a student. She's in grade 10.
Does she like school?
Yes, she does. She loves studying and reading books.
That's wonderful. How about you, Tom? What do you do?
I'm a college student. I study computer science.
Wow, computer science? That sounds interesting.
Yeah, I enjoy learning about technology.
So, do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with them. We have a small house in the city.
That's nice. Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog. His name is Lucky.
Lucky. That's a cute name.
Yeah, he's really friendly. How about you, Anna? Tell me about your family.
Sure. There are 5 people in my family: my father, my mother, my older brother, my younger sister, and me.
My father is an engineer. He works for a construction company.
That sounds like a busy job.
Yes, he's very hardworking. My mother is a nurse. She works at the same hospital as your father, maybe.
Oh, really? That's funny. Maybe they know each other.
Maybe. And my brother is a university student, too.
What does he study?
He studies business management.
That's great. And your younger sister?
She's still in middle school. She's 12 years old.
Does she like studying?
Sometimes. She likes drawing more than studying.
That's cute. Does your family spend time together?
Yes, we always have dinner together. We talk about our day.
That's lovely. Family time is very important.
I agree. On weekends, we sometimes go to the park or watch movies.
Oh, that sounds fun. What kind of movies do you watch?
Mostly comedies or adventure movies.
I love adventure movies too.
Really? We should watch one together someday.
That would be fun.
By the way, do you live with your grandparents?
No, but they live nearby. We visit them every Sunday.
That's nice. I visit my grandparents once a month.
Do they live far away?
Yes, they live in the countryside.
Oh, I love the countryside. It's quiet and peaceful.
Yes, and the air is fresh.
Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have 2 cousins, one boy and one girl. Do you see them often?
Only on holidays. We play games and eat together.
That sounds fun. I also have many cousins.
Really? How many?
I have 6 cousins.
Wow, that's a big family.
Yes, family gatherings are always noisy but fun.
I can imagine that. Who do you look like more, your mom or your dad?
Everyone says I look like my dad.
Really? That's nice. I look like my mom.
Oh, that's sweet. Do you get along with your siblings?
Yes, most of the time, but sometimes we argue.
That's normal. I argue with my sister sometimes too.
But we always make up afterward.
Yes, because family always loves each other.
Exactly. Family means love and support.
Right. I'm really thankful for my family.
Me too. They always help me when I have problems.
That's true. No matter what happens, family is always there for you.
Yes, they are our biggest supporters.
Speaking of that, my mom always encourages me to study hard.
Same here. My dad always tells me to follow my dreams.
That's so nice. Parents always want the best for us.
Yes, they do.
Do you celebrate special family days together?
Of course, we celebrate birthdays and holidays together.
What do you usually do on birthdays?
We have dinner, cake, and sometimes play games or sing karaoke.
That sounds so much fun.
It is. What about you?
We usually go out to eat or cook something special at home.
That's lovely. I think family meals are always special.
Yes, they bring everyone closer.
Do you take family photos?
Yes, a lot. My mom loves taking pictures. Haha, my mom too. She always says, smile for the camera. Haha, moms are the same everywhere. True. So, Anna, who is your favorite family member? That's a hard question. I love them all, but maybe my little sister. Why her? Because she's funny, cute, and always makes me laugh. That's sweet. My favorite is my dad. He tells the best stories. Oh, I love listening to family stories too. Yes, they help us remember good times. I agree. Family memories are precious. Absolutely. I can't imagine life without my family. Same here. They make me feel safe and happy. It's nice talking about our families, Anna. Yes, it makes me feel warm inside. Me too. Family is everything. You're right. Family is love.